ChatGPT isn't officially integrated into WhatsApp by OpenAI, but you can access AI chat capabilities within the app through several methods. Here's a comprehensive guide to your options, starting with official third-party services. Option A involves using ChatGPT via API integration services, where various platforms offer WhatsApp bots connected to ChatGPT. Search for verified WhatsApp ChatGPT services online, save their number, and send a message to start chatting. Follow authentication instructions, then chat with the AI directly through WhatsApp messages. Many services offer limited free messages before requiring a subscription, so verify legitimacy and security. Always check privacy policies for data handling, as response times may vary. Option B uses Meta AI directly within WhatsApp, integrated in supported regions. Update WhatsApp, open any chat, and look for the Meta AI icon to start a conversation. This feature's availability depends on your region and uses Meta's AI, not specifically ChatGPT. Method 2 involves using bottom services to set up a ChatGPT WhatsApp bot, requiring an OpenAI API key, a Twilio account, and basic technical knowledge. Sign up for a bot service, connect your OpenAI API key, configure the bot, and get your WhatsApp business number to start chatting. For developers, Method 3 is DIY integration, needing OpenAI and WhatsApp Business API access, a server, and programming skills. Set up a WhatsApp Business API account, create a webhook, connect it to OpenAI's API, and deploy your bot on a server. Finally, Method 4 explores browser extensions, though this is a limited option. Search for trusted ChatGPT WhatsApp extensions, install one, open WhatsApp Web, and use its interface to access ChatGPT. Exercise caution with browser extensions and only use those from verified developers for security. Prioritize security by never sharing sensitive information with third-party bots and verifying service legitimacy. Read privacy policies, use end-to-end encryption, and be aware messages may be stored. Start with simple queries, be clear, and monitor usage for paid services to manage costs. Keep conversations focused for better responses and save important information outside of WhatsApp. Expect limitations like response delays, message limits on free tiers, and potential lack of full ChatGPT features. If a bot isn't responding, check your internet, verify service operation, try a restart, or check message limits. For poor response quality, rephrase your question, break complex questions, or check if the service uses an older AI model. Authentication problems might require resaving the contact, restarting the conversation, or checking your subscription. If WhatsApp integration isn't ideal, consider alternatives like ChatGPT's official mobile app, Telegram bots, or direct web access. Different services have varying pricing models, from free tiers to premium plans, and API costs for custom solutions. While no official ChatGPT integration exists, several workarounds are available, depending on your technical skills, budget, and privacy needs. For most, third-party services or Meta AI offer simplicity. Developers can create custom solutions for more control. Always prioritize security and privacy, and use free trials to test services before committing to paid plans.